Okay, had a chance to work on your design using that Starmark Arrow, we call it Starmark Arrow door style in a natural alder. And let's see here. Yep, okay, that's the right cabinet. Okay, so starting over here to the right of the stove, this base cabinet has a drawer and two doors. Behind the two doors is roll-out trays. This is a wall cabinet, of course, with adjustable shelves. Microwave over the range microwave with a stove. Wall cabinet. There's a wall cabinet right here. And then you have the easy reach cabinet, which looks like this. Goes in the corner. Then we have a Super Susan cabinet on the base. Let's look at this. Super Susan has two independently revolving trays. They fit on a fixed shelf, or sit on a fixed shelf. Then we have your sink. Cabinet above the sink with a valance. This little guy is right here. That'll hide any under cabinet lighting. We have a large cabinet door here. Wall cabinet over the refrigerator. You can see that the wall cabinet over the refrigerator bumps out a bit. Just makes it easier to reach. Small cabinet next to the dishwasher. Crown molding touching the ceiling. That's what I see. If you navigate to the Starmark website, this is where you can see the arrow door style, but you've seen it in my office. Don't know if there's alder. It's a nice rich looking door. And then this was your first choice. There's a couple others that I'm going to list in a moment, but Kendall was your first choice. This is the Cambria website. I don't know what happens if I press that button. Here is, looks like something we can see in the room. It's probably not a very good representation of the countertop, but this is probably better looking at this. Pretty dramatic, I would say. So, pricing this out, this is what I have so far. Starmark being probably the best, well, it is the best cabinet I sell. It's not probably, it is the best cabinet I sell. Can you spend less? Yeah, but in order to get to this door style you liked, then I would have to go with Starmark. So Starmark is shy of $10,000 for the cabinetry. Removing the old cabinets and countertop, $550. Installing the new cabinetry, $2,300. Here's your various pricing for countertops. The Kendall comes in at $4,110. And the other one, Summer Hill, you liked, or actually Pendle Hill is 4110 too. That was another one you liked. You also liked Summer Hill at 3490. Montgomery is also 3490. That was another one you liked, but I don't think it makes a lot of sense to buy the same exact countertop as your next door neighbor. I think you ought to probably do something a little different. Other things you'll need is a sink. I do have sink options. One in particular is, I think, $340. It comes with some various goodies. I can tell you more about that. Faucet, you'll need one of those, knobs and pulls. I can also provide electrical services. I know that you wanted under cabinet lighting, probably at a minimum. And then I can also do plumbing services. When I handle the plumbing and electrical for you, I charge exactly what the electrician or plumber charges, and then I add 15%. So you'll have the opportunity to look at the plumber or electrician's bill, just so you can keep me honest, and then I add 15% to that total. So you can actually add these numbers up quite quickly. Electrical services, I don't know, it's hard to guess. I can't give you an exact estimate. But if you wanted under cabinet lighting, maybe there's some other upgrades that need to be done. Maybe between $1,000 and $2,000. Plumbing up your sink and dishwasher is a little easier to guess. It'll usually, historically, it runs under $1,000. Between $600 and $1,000, I'm going to guess. So this gives you a pretty good idea. This is not formal, but it gives you a pretty darn good idea what the cabinetry would cost and various services necessary using the Star Mark cabinet line and this design in particular. Just for fun, let's hit this button. That's the color button. Looks pretty good. Now, to get to a more formal estimate, if you think this is exactly what you want, then great. I could probably run a formal estimate at this point. These numbers really shouldn't change, actually. But maybe you want to make some changes. It's not a very big kitchen, so maybe there's not much opportunity to make changes. So, but that's what I have for you.